Are you ready to brave, Dad?
I ain't never seen the likes.
Dad gets home from work, got all his winter clothes off, he puts on sweatpants.
I'm not ready to relax. And I get told, well, we're gonna move the car tomorrow.
Yep. So, for anybody who don't know, Chris Birdsong has that dirt track Mustang in our backyard. Well, his buddy Mike is on his way to us right now, and it's like probably 5 degrees outside, which to the guys up in the north, that's nothing. They'll walk around in their skimpies like that, but we're in Kansas, and we get a little bit of the worst of everything. We'll get 110-degree summers, and we'll get high humidity, and then we'll get freezing cold.
-4.
Yeah, so guys out in Vegas like Chris who have 110-degree days every day, they're used to it, not a big deal. And guys like Mike from North Dakota who probably have -20-degree days every day, you know. But, you know.
Pick your poison.
Yeah, pick your poison. Kansas, we get the worst of it all.
We get a little bit of everything.
Yeah, so we're going to...
Tornadoes.
We got to unfortunately move the Duster because somebody decided to park it in a really bad place because we're going to put the service truck because we're going to try and figure out how we can load this dirt track Mustang onto Mike's trailer using the auto crane. I don't think Mike has a winch. So, you ready to venture out, Dad?
I guess.
I'm going to need this for the Duster.
I know where the warm air is. If I get cold.
Well, move.
Here we go.
It's only going to get colder tonight.
I think it's probably going to fog over.
Probably.
Oh, it's a heat wave. It's all in your mind.
Yeah. It's actually not too bad.
Let's go check this dryer. If we can get it dry.
Oh, I know it's not a lot of snow to a lot of guys, but it's blistering cold winds. There really ain't that much snow. But it's that wind chill and everything else, just miserable. So yeah. So honestly, if I had my druthers, I'd like to move the Javelin because it's going to be in harm's way of moving that thing. But this is an engine I will not start in this weather. The Duster don't really care as much about, but yeah, we're going to try and get this thing loaded up hopefully tomorrow. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, we can run a strap right here probably off the roll cage. So that'll probably work. I don't think we're going to be too worried about that trim. Yeah, we're gonna have to move the Javelin for sure. A little close. Poor dart and everything else. Oh, it's gonna go bye-bye here soon. So, I guess let's get at her, Dad. I'll start with the Duster. I'm sorry, Duster. You came from the land of sunshine and bikinis and hot women to this. Oh. I have done you wrong, Duster. At least we won't put snow on the inside of you. Oh. Let's see. Yep, camera's fogging. Put her in neutral. Didn't like me so far. Oop. Now we got fuel. We just got to get her running. Got it. duster didn't fail us, and hopefully the GoPro don't either. That's got some thick oil in her. I know you can't really hear nothing over the service truck, but now we gotta try and get this Javelin moved. And she used to be my winter car. I used to drive this car every day. Yep, battery's still connected, so go grab her keys, get that thing fired up, get it moved. Oh, joy, joy. The old duster's warming up. Probably ought to idle her up a little bit, but let's see if we get this Javelin to fire up. Already fellers and not fellers, so handy light. We can kind of see what's going on with the Javelin at least. It's warming up. Now for anybody who's worried about this car starting up in this temperature, I used to drive that car every day for like 2 or 3 years in temperature just like this. Started up, let it warm up for a long time. That's what these cars were built to do, is start and run in this kind of weather. These things weren't built as collector's items for the factory. These were built as running, driving transportation. So don't be giving me no hate. But that's 2 really cool cold starts. God dang, it's cold. No one can probably see us.
I can't believe it started.
Oh yeah, the Javelin, you remember, Javelin used to do this every day.
Just don't hit my charger.
Oh no, yeah. The Duster's a little sketchy because it's got basically slicks underneath it. So I'm gonna take both the cars, put them up in the front by the Magnum. I don't want them back here where they're not accessible.
Okay, let's get her done.
Yep, getting dark. I'll see you guys tomorrow probably.
I can't believe these things started.
nothing, but you can hear cars. So, see you tomorrow. God dang, where to put my gloves? It's cold. Woo! The Javelin's really nice inside. Get back in here. Ooh, warm. See you tomorrow. All right, we're gonna do a little video from the phone just so you can see the cars. Amazing what this thing will pick up that my GoPro won't. It's funny, the lights that work on the Javelin don't work on the Duster. We had all the lights on the Duster working, and they stopped working on us. Dadgummit. See you tomorrow. Alrighty, fellers and non-fellers, actually a change of plans. It's later that night, and well, I don't know if I can look at this camera or not, but apparently we got to load this Mustang tonight and not tomorrow, so that doesn't make any sense. So a little weather update. It is currently 10 degrees here in Kansas, and I know you guys up north will think that's nothing. That's skimping dipping weather, but around here, that's pretty freaking cold. And with the wind chill, it's -4. So just imagine how cold it is. So we get to piss off all of our neighbors, start up the service truck. Dad's not happy at all. We're not going to be videoing this at all because it's going to be a clusterfuck to say the least. To try and load this Mustang that barely moves with a crane attached to it. Yeah. So hopefully we don't get the cops called on us, because probably will. We're way past curfew and stuff around here, so check with you guys after a bit. Alright, so bye-bye Birdsong Mustang. Get you loaded up, send you home to Las Vegas, away from Kansas where you've been your whole life. That works out pretty good. Yep, last view of her with snow on her, because probably won't ever get snow again unless it snows in Vegas. This is gonna suck. Alright, load it up. Alrighty. I said I wasn't gonna video a whole lot, but you know what? I'm gonna video a little bit. So, it's freaking freezing. I mean, it's... I just looked at my mustache in the mirror in the garage, and it's literally just all frost. I noticed my mustache was feeling kind of, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. But got the back wheels on. I put those on with the M18 big bad boy impact, so have fun getting them off. Let's see, we got the junk brake drums that go to this there in the car. I got to get the other front wheel. Chris, you owe me for this crappy Krager, but it's still my Krager. So you owe me for that Krager. But yeah, so hopefully everything goes smoothly. And this thing, I'll load it up. This, yeah, Chris, we're sorry. I mean, we don't know how we're gonna load it yet, but really the best way it's looking is literally going right through that roll cage bar right there. That's gonna put a lot of stress right here, but I don't think Mike's got a winch on his trailer, and we ain't pushing this thing on. There ain't just no way. But I guess we'll see what happens. So we'll get this thing ready. Hopefully Mike gets here soon, because Dad's got to be up early in the morning, and well, we're both freezing our balls off. It's -4 out, what it feels like, and yeah. All right. Make it so, number one.
Back the trailer right in there. Start snowing.
It is snowing right now. Hang on, Dad, we gotta get a picture of this. The icicle mustache cam. You always told me, Dad, everything's an adventure, even if it sucks balls.
Where that guy's at?
He said it's supposed to be around 10:30, 10:40, and it's about that time. So can't keep starting the truck up. It's gonna piss the neighbors off, and where we live, we're way past curfew, and that's noise ordinance issue, and that's a ticket.
If we can sit in the truck.
Yeah. Oh, Mike's calling me. Alrighty, Mustang's loaded. Ready to go home to you, Chris. We'll send you a crane bill. That's how it looks on trailer. What you guys say about that?
150 bucks an hour.
We're double overtime right now. 11 o'clock at night. There it goes. Bye-bye, Mr. Mustang. Woo-hoo-dee-hoo-hoo, as Dad would say. What do you think, Dad?
I'd say boogie boogie on.
Boogie boogie on?
Boogie on.
Well, no more Mustang for us. God dang, you guys don't even know how cold this is. I took my gloves off so I could film. I can't feel my fingers at all. I did feel that. So, I'm gonna tell you what. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Oh, that wind is cold. So, for my pain and suffering, please like, share, do all that fun jazz down in them comments. Of course, go check out Chris Birdsong's channel, Junker Up, because he's gonna be putting that Mustang together. We hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.